Hello lovelies, welcome back. In today's episode, we are cooking a very simple, delicious recipe that you can prepare on a lazy day. Stick and stay as we take you through the process. These are our ingredients to be used for today's recipe. We have corn dough, cassava dough, okro, pepper, salt, onion, tomatoes, bell pepper, mackerel, palm oil, and momoni. All our ingredients are ready for today's special recipe. We set our fire. Wash the pot. Pour water on the cassava dough. Sieve it into the pot. Pour in the corn dough and put it on fire. Wash the spatula and begin to stir. Add salt and continue stirring. We now begin to drive until it's well cooked. See how soft our banku is looking. I bet you will love this process. Our banku is now ready. We now begin to tear our banku into a rounded like shape and keep it in a bowl. Put a pot on fire, pour water into it, wash the okro, put it into the pot on fire and cover to boil. Put pepper into the earthenware bowl and begin to grind. Check on the okra and take it off the fire. Put wire mesh on the coal pot. Put the onion, tomatoes and bell pepper onto it. Turn it till it's well toasted. Cut the toasted onion into two and begin to slice it into the grinding pepper and continue to grind. Check the tomatoes. Add the momoni onto the wire mesh and take the tomatoes off the fire. Put the mackerel onto the fire and begin to grind the green pepper. Add the momoni and continue grinding. Add the tomatoes and mash it together. Add salt and continue to grind. We then add the cooked okra and mash it together. Wash the toasted mackerel, break it into smaller pieces and mix with the mashed ingredients in the earthenware bowl. Pour oil into a pot on fire, add sliced onions and sliced bell pepper and leave it to fry for some time. We add the mackerel and stir. Pour it into the earthenware bowl. Stir, add the banku and oh wow! Finally, our authentic Ghana FETRI is now ready for consumption. This is one of the best and easiest okra stew recipe for a lazy day. Thank you so much for loving us and thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Stay safe.